That guy. And welcome to the Super Fun Awesome Happy Time Pedal Show. My name is Gabor.
G'day, welcome along. I'm Alex, and this is The Dude.
The Dude.
He abides.
The Dude. What was the movie with the Dude?
Big Lebowski.
Lebowski,
Yeah.
The Dude. Yes, so this is The Dude by JRockett Audio Designs. Hi to Chris and everyone at JRockett. Thank you so much for sending this out to us for a video. Super cool pedal. I really dig it.
We've done some other ones. The HRM drive you can see up there. There's a little card up there to check out that another Dumble style overdrive.
Yes.
But before we get into more sounds, if you could like and subscribe on the channel, give us a thumbs up on the video and comments, questions below.
Yes, please.
And we'll do our best to answer them and get to all the questions.
Exactly.
So, setup today. Got the guitars going through the Dude. You have to say it like that, by the way.
The Dude.
It's law.
Yes.
Mozztronics Amp Switcher, which we selected the Creme Brulee today, which is like a match Foxy type thing.
Mm-hmm.
And that's going to use a single 12 ISO cab with a green back, Celestian green back. It's got a microphone on that, which is a LEWITT MTP440.
Hi, LEWITT people.
Also, there's a cab thingy. What's it called?
Captor X.
Captor X.
With 2 notes.
2 notes. That's right.
Hi, Guillaume.
And that's got a stereo quad boxy thing.
And there's a video on the Captor X here. And
So,
there's a fly in the room again.
Cool. That's your friend.
Yes. Gavin.
Yeah. So this one is kind of a parts guitar I did with Warmoth parts, and it does have really low output Fender Custom Shop 69 pickups.
It's Z Custom.
Z. That's because my girlfriend's name is Zoe and her nickname is Z, and she bought it for me for Christmas.
Ah, Z Zoe.
Yeah. Z.
Well, there you go.
So I named it after her
Ah.
because I'm a sucker. So.
Well, we know that.
Yeah. So we've got a whole bunch of different output types of pickups. This is a really low output. They're hot P90s, got a Tele and a 335 type Ibanez thing.
Yes. So yeah. The Dude basically is their JRockett's take on sort of that classic D-style amp sound. And in particular, this one is sort of the Overdrive Special, famous Dumble style amp, and this is sort of meant to recreate that sound in a pedal form. We've done a lot of Dumble stuff lately.
Yeah.
Because we had Aaron from Sleepwalk Amps. You can walk a Sleepwalk Amps video here as well. And he does Dumble style amps, and HRM is a Dumble style pedal, and that's a Dumble style pedal. So lots of Dumble stuff. But it's a cool sound. I get to appreciate the sound more and more.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's just it's a different take on a drive, isn't it? It's sort of
Yeah.
its own thing, and we'll get to that. So 4 controls. We've got level, ratio, treble, and deep. Now level is the volume, and it's probably pretty hard to see where they're set because it's kind of glary, but it's... Can you see? I don't know. Anyway. It's set at about, 2 o'clock, 1:30. Now, treble is treble, deep is basically... It fattens the sound like low mids and lows, which is a thing I found out with the HRM as well. It has a fat control on it, and it's this thing that makes single coils and single notes on single coils, like on Strats.
Yeah.
It just makes them fat and big.
Especially
and
for
warm.
solo lines. And
Yeah. So I think that's that Dumble thing. It fattens up the sound. And then you have the ratio. Now the ratio is not necessarily gain. It's blending between a clean signal and a driven signal. And I'm not sure if the gain actually goes up as you turn it up as well. But we'll get into all that.
Cool. Okay.
So do you want to start or do you want me to start?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep going with this thing.
Okay. So if we put, let's do, because it's a D-style thing, let's put everything at 11 o'clock, because that's what Aaron does.
Yeah. These are very low output pickups, so
We might have to see. I can't even really see where it is. Okay, yeah, because with all the lights in here, it's hard to see. So I'll put everything at roughly 11 o'clock now. Let's see what it sounds like. Have you turned the volume up?
yeah.
Okay, so that was it off. Let's turn it on. Now I reckon let's look at the ratio thing. Because so basically if you turn the ratio all the way down, it's kind of clean. I'll turn the volume up a bit just so you can hear it.
etc.,
it's-
etc.
It all the way up. It's basically no clean in it, but it may. I don't know if the gain goes up a bit too as you go up. Like try it again. Just in that last little from sort of 9 o'clock. Sorry, from 3 o'clock to full.
Mm-hmm.
It seems almost like the gain goes up a bit. I don't know if it does or not. Let me know in the comments below. But again, I think as well, again for the for lead playing, single note playing, it gives you that attack, having a little bit of the clean in there.
Yeah, sure.
And gives you the definition, and for chords as well, I guess.
Do you want to try it with your guitar?
With my guitar, so I'm playing my Fano Omnis MG6. Great guitar. Big thank you to the awesome people at Fano. And clean, it sounds like this. So it's a much hotter output guitar.
It's almost like hotter than humbuckers.
They're hot P90s. They sound great.
They're cool, but they're pokey.
They sound really good.
Might turn the deep down and blend it in.
Okie dokie. Cool note definition too. Like you hear the notes, but there's lots of gain there.
Yeah.
It's a bit of reverb, man. Le two notes, le reverb. Okay, that's a little bit of delay too. It's fat. It's a great sound. I really dig. I actually really like these pickups.
Yeah.
And it works. Maybe that's why my sort of appreciation for this stuff comes, because it works really well. I think these P90s with that.
I think any decent P90s with like some drive is pure rock and roll. Like,
Oh yeah,
it's kind of
that sounds killer. Like if you turn it, go back to just dry. It's great. That
Punchy.
sounds really, really cool.
Should we try with the Tele?
Please do. So that's clean. It's just big. It's a really big
Yep.
single note lead sound.
Mm.
And I guess, yeah, that's
See?
the Dumble thing, isn't it? That must be,
Yeah.
that's that kind of...
Before we go on, just go with some low gain stuff. See how it goes with the like if you're doing like
Okay.
R&B or country type things.
That's with treble on almost full
Yeah.
on the bridge pick. Oh no, that was neck pickup on the Tele.
Yeah, at the end. Yeah.
Okay, that sounded cool.
Interesting.
Let's try. So the lower gain sound.
It's hard to make it suck.
No, it's good at pretty much every setting. So 1981 Ibanez AS100, all stock, awesome guitar. I like it a lot. Yeah. Give me a little bit of this. And
some sprinkles.
Let's get really ambient, like lots of reverb and the delay. That's cool. That's a fat, massive sound. I really dig that pedal. That's a good pedal.
It's a classy tone, isn't it? Like,
yeah,
it's not like punky like a rat, and it's kind of not fuzzy like a fuzz. There's this kind of big wall of distortion, but in a very classy way.
And I reckon it'll cut through the band.
Yep.
Because it has a lot of mids there.
Totally, yeah.
Yep. But yeah, just having that deep fat control thingy, it just makes it from a small single note thing to big single note thing.
Yeah, especially with single coils.
Yeah. Humbuckers is a different story, but
yeah.
That's cool. I really like that. That's a great pedal. We should definitely do a shootout between that and the HRM.
It's going to come up soon.
The Hot
Stay
Rubber
tuned.
Monkey.
If you want to be notified when it comes up, ding the notification bell and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, that sounds like a plan.
That was a segue.
Do that.
Do that.
Do. I said do.
Also, there's links below to our Instagram, Facebook group chat, which is fun, and a podcast.
Where we have already talked about these pedals, but we'll probably talk a little bit more about the Dude.
Yeah.
Because we haven't, because we did that a little later than the other ones.
True.
But yeah, I reckon we should definitely do a shootout between that and HRM. Because they're voiced slightly differently.
Yes, they are. And they're spelt differently.
Yes.
Which is the main thing.
And but yeah, well-built pedals. They're small but heavy. I dig. I'm a fan. JRockett.
Yeah.
I'm a fan. So thank you so much once again to Chris and everyone at JRockett Audio Designs for sending this out to us. Make also sure to check out the Mr. Moto video. I put that here, which is a killer reverb tremolo. Super simple, but great sounding reverb tremolo pedal. And more JRockett coming up, so thanks for watching.
See you soon.